Hello, my name is Meriel Schindler. I'm head of the employment group at Withers in London. This is the first in a series of practical HR tips for managers. Today I'm going to talk to you about employees secretly recording their bosses at work. Now, someone who's been secretly recorded will often be extremely angry about it. But how do the courts look at this sort of evidence? It's fair to say that employment judges have a very wide discretion to admit all sorts of evidence into tribunal proceedings. In a discrimination claim or a whistleblowing claim, a covert recording of a meeting with a boss may be an absolutely crucial piece of evidence for the tribunal. In unfair dismissal claims, by contrast, it will probably be less relevant and may not be admitted. So how can you as a manager protect yourself against the amateur James Bond at work? That employee who uses their iPhone or their BlackBerry to record you secretly. I have 5 tips for you. First of all, review your handbook. Make sure that you've made it clear in your handbook that covert recording is prohibited in the workplace. Second, I would make sure that you have a competent and trusted note-taker at all formal meetings with employees. That way the note-taker can produce a proper minute of the meeting and give copies to the employee and the employer. Thirdly, I would make sure that your managers are properly trained to deal with this sort of issue and indeed those formal meetings generally. Fourthly, I would deal with any instances of covert recording consistently and in accordance with your disciplinary policy. And finally, I would make sure you ask employees at the beginning of every formal meeting whether they are in fact covertly recording you on their iPhone or their BlackBerry. Hopefully, if you follow those 5 tips, you should avoid the amateur James Bond entrapping you in the workplace. If you need any further help, do visit our website or call us. Thank you very much.